Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. My name is PiffsPeak, and today we're going to show you how to clip your content over on Abstract in just a few simple steps. Sit back and let's dive in. To get started, first let's head over to the Abstract official website. That will be abs.xyz. Once we get to the Abstract website, enter the portal. From here, you'll be able to log into your account if you have one already made. If you don't have one made, simply just sign up with your email. Now that you've logged into Abstract or signed up with your new account, now let's head over to the Streams channel. Here in the Streams channel is where you will find all of Abstract's creators. Now let's find some content to clip. Now that we have found the content that we want to clip, we'll now head over to the Create a Clip button. When you click on Create a Clip, it will prop up a box. From here, you'll be able to adjust the slider to where you want to create your content at. You can also extend the slider to make a longer clip. Now that we have decided on what part of the content we want to clip, we will now give it a description. Now that you've given it a description, hit create a clip. Now that we have created our first clip, we will now copy the URL. Now that we copy the URL, we will open a second browser page. We will then post the link in the search tab and then hit enter. From here, you'll be able to review the clip that you just made. After you have watched the clip and it is to your liking, you then from here can now request a download. The request could take up to 3 minutes. Once the video is processed, you'll then get the download prompt. From there, you'll be able to download your clip. And that's all there is to it. You just learned how to clip on Abstract. If you found this video useful and helpful, please subscribe, drop a like, drop a comment, and share out the video. Thanks for watching.